Greetings, and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We've been doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders performed throughout the New Testament. And by doing this, we have been building our faith because faith comes by hearing, and hearing comes by the word of God. Yes. So if you want your faith to build, just follow it. And if you want more people to build for them faith and hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then may I invite you to click the like button, leave a comment, share this video with as many people as you can. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the book we name Acts chapter 14 from verse 8 to verse 10. In Lystra, he did have one crippled man sit down. Him did born with him 2 foot them cripple, so him never walk from him born. Him did a listen to Paul preach about Jesus. Paul looked straight upon him and see him did believe in a God enough, say God could have get him better. So Paul call out to him and say, get up and turn up straight. Same time, the man jump up and start walk. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.